How's it going? I am Michael. Next to me over there is a 1969 Porsche 911S that I'm putting a Subaru Flat 6 turbo engine in. And boy, do I need a lot of parts. I call it the blasphemy build. And when word got out that I was building this car, one of the first people to reach out was my buddy Drew over at URO Parts. Now, URO Parts is an OEM manufacturer. Basically, you might not get like the sexy upgrade, twin turbo, awesomeness, check valve, billet thing, but you will get windshield seals and you will get door lock pulls. And the cool thing about URO Parts or API Industries is they cover the gambit. If you have a Porsche, if you have an Audi, if you have a BMW, if you have a Mercedes, obviously they cover all the Euro stuff, but tons of domestic stuff. They have a brand new Japanese section because they actually have stuff for my Subaru engine. And I even found a couple of parts for a Yugo on the site. So I've just gotten my first couple of boxes from URO Parts. Every time I get something like this, it is an absolute Christmas day for me. So I thought I would just do kind of a quick unboxing and show you guys what I'm getting from them right now. You know, as this project continues, I've done 41 videos, I believe. So if you're not subscribed to the channel or checking out the blasphemy build, it is very much worth checking out. But I've got just a whole bunch of stuff in here like seals. This is something I'm actually really excited about. This is something that I thought I was gonna have to do myself, but it turns out that URO Parts has a complete brake line kit, steel brake line kit for early 911s. So this is actually one of the most exciting things because I don't then have to custom fabricate all of my brake lines. The project that I'm using these things on was a race car, which was totally gutted, that has now been converted back to a street car due to a lot of welding and craziness on my part. So these are complete OEM brake lines for a vintage Porsche 911. I'm assuming that the lines go from, you know, early cars all the way until 1989. Awesome. So these run through the tunnel. They have obviously 911 part numbers on them. And that's one of the big long ones. And then the whole box is full of all of the different perfect bent brake lines. I could not be more excited about this, you guys. This is a killer find. I was so excited when I saw that they actually did this. Brake line protective tube. It has all these little guys. Can you imagine all the custom fab work that I would have had to do just to make this little flared line? So I'm so glad I don't have to do that. Now, how to put it all on, no idea. But cross that bridge when we get there. Let's open the big box. Ugh. Oh my God, there's so much stuff in here. Holy crap. All right, we've got quarter window seals. We've got hood shocks. We've got windshield washer pump mount. Like I said, everything you can think of. Oh, we've got windshield wipers. I didn't have windshield wiper. Hood lift support pin. This is a big deal, actually. These are brand new to them. Auto Technica is what they're called now, but they're actually starting to do OEM Japanese stuff. So these valves, these little solenoids, are part of my Subaru engine. I have 4 of them, and they were all cracked. All of the fittings were cracked from the wiring. So now I can put these things in, and they will be perfect. And actually, they're probably going to be the first things that I use from this bunch. We have trailing arm bushings, steering column support bearings so you don't have any shake on your steering column. Hood seal, totally necessary for me right now as I try to make body panel alignments. Another quarter window seal. 2 quarter windows. Rear spring plate bushing set. So these nice bushings go in your rear spring plate, take all the slop of it out. I actually need to get custom rear spring plates for my build because mine had pretty crazy custom spring plates on them. We've got a transmission mount. Oh, this one's killer too. This will bolt right onto, I'm using a Porsche 996 transmission, and this thing goes right inside it. not dry rotted, perfect, brand new. Can't wait to install this. Deck lid lock striker plate. So this thing that goes on the rear deck lid, you guys have seen that before, obviously. More hood shocks, another wiper, rear window seal, front window seal, and I believe this is probably a door seal. Yep, door seal. I think I might have missed one. Brake light switch, totally need that. This is the pole. Ah, cool, awesome. Totally need these. This is the steering column cover, like the clamshell that goes on top. And the other side of it. So that's it. That is my haul from URO Parts. Thank you again to URO Parts for sponsoring the Blasphemy build. Thank you to Drew over at URO Parts for being involved in all of this. And obviously I'm going to put the link in the description below. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time.